Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain how to charge AirPods using iPhone 16 or 16 Pro. If you want to use your iPhone 16 or 16 Pro to share the power to the AirPods, use a cable that fits both devices. So on one end it should be the USB-C for iPhone 16 or 16 Pro, and on the other end it should be either USB-C or Lightning, depending on which version of AirPods you have. I have the USB-C AirPods, so I'm gonna put a USB-C cable in, and you can see it starts charging with the same cable that's connected from this iPhone. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.